2019 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.